Hello everyone, today we're going to talk what can we buy for $1. I must say that I know that you will love the video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the like button as well. Thank you so much.
Today we are going to talk about what we can purchase from $1 shop in America. So the last year I was in America and I was wishing to go to the Teaching Tree store there. And when I went there, there was a special area for the teachers. It was really fantastic because everything, whatever you buy, costs just $1. So I think it will be interesting for you to know what can you buy for $1 from the Teaching Tree. The first thing is everything you see here on the video, everything is purchased from the Teaching Tree, which means the dollar shop. And there's a special sign from the Teaching Tree. As you see this tree, it shows that the item is purchased from the $1 shop. So everything here is purchased from there. Let me see whether my camera is recording. Yes, it is recording. So it becomes really difficult to record your video when there's no help from other side. So what I could buy from the teaching store. This is one of the fantastic things that I bought from the $1 shop, and it's very useful in the classroom while you just share it with all the students in the classroom and they start writing and then cleaning all that. So you don't need to provide them with additional piece of sheet or the piece of paper, or they don't need additional boards which takes a lot of place on the desktop. So it's dry erase cut out, so it's ready. You just take and give it to everyone around. And this one thing, and this is not purchased from the $3, but it is also purchased from the Teaching Tree. As you see the logo on that, it's very interesting. It consists of sooty stripes, so it's useful usually for the first graders. So what they do is you just provide each student with one card. They can easily write over that with marker, and then they can clean with wet napkin. So it's really good for the first grade teachers. You can use also in the higher levels when you ask them to write the vocabulary dictation. So instead of writing to their workbooks, they can use this kind of stripes, because children love writing on the different items rather than on the paper or on the workbook. And it can make writing lesson much more interesting with additional items. And here is another one which we use in the classroom a lot. It's also from Teaching Tree, which costs just $1. So there are lots of stickers. Usually in Azerbaijan, when we purchase the stickers, one piece, which is consists of like 10 smilings or 20 smilings, maximum 50 smilings, costs us 1 minute. But we have got 417 stickers over that, and then these stickers are different and very good rewarding words on it, different vocabularies as you see inside. It's very colorful, and there are lots of interesting vocabularies on it, like great, yee, good, cool, okay, for working hard, and etc. So it is just 417 pieces in it, and everything is different from each other. So it has big sizes and small sizes. The biggest one I think is this one, this page. One is go. The other one is here. So I purchased from this two pieces, but both are different from each other. So one is 417 pieces, and then the other one is 423 pieces, and this one is the same but different words, so different stickers, different vocabularies, the same way like the other one. Okay, as you see, there is a Teaching Tree logo on it. And then the other one is, I love this one a lot, and you see there is a Teaching Tree game. So this one is fantastic because it talks about states and symbols. So it becomes easier to teach children with this colorful map. So this is usually for the geography lesson, but as a primary school teachers, we always teach states and give information about this. So I'm going to open and to show you what kind of thing is that I have already opened one for the classroom, and it's just on the wall, classroom wall. So How many pieces do we have? 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5 pieces. So 5 and 6. So consists of 6 maps. So there is just when we open, what do we see? So this land is my land. So this is just information. And on the map you can see that the mountains is shown with this symbol, and then grassland, deserts, lakes, and etc. When they look at the pictures, they can easily understand where the trees, where the mountains, and where the grass, and etc. And then here you can get information about the 50 states in America, and there is a information about each state. So this is short part of the state's name, but here is the opening codes. So it's California, so CO means Colorado, and etc. It's just from one piece, this kind of one piece, which is consists of 6 sheets, isn't it? So you can just copy it and get it all the students in the classroom. So I really love that. So it's worth $1, so it's amazing, seriously. I got this kind of thing, which is teaching tree again. It costs just $1 as well. So here I have got very interesting item. So what is it? It's usually used for the grade 1 and grade 2 for the reading, and especially it's interesting for the preschoolers. So reading highlighters, storybooks. In order to make the reading interesting, they put on the sentence, and then they know which sentence are they reading. In the preschool, in the beginning of the preschool, they're reading the vocabulary, so the teacher can choose the vocabularies, particular vocabularies on the book, and can highlight with this, and once they see the word on the highlighter, they will be reading much funny way, they will love it. It has different pieces, it has different colors. All together it has 10 pieces, as you see. So it's very useful for the teachers, so you can use it at the end of the semester or at the end of the year. It depends on you. Here's again teaching tree, and here's circles of award, as you see. So signature date, so it's really fantastic, and it has got 20 pieces.